Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you two ways to combine the two or more cells into one cell. So one is by using equal sign and other is by using Excel function concatenate. Concatenate helps us in combining two or more different cells into one. Concatenate, this function is designed to join different pieces of text together or combine values from several cells into the one cell. Even equal sign also works the same, but there is a slight difference between the two functions. First I will show how we can combine these two cells into one by using equal sign. This equal, then this first name and use and, then this last name, then you enter. This combines these two cells into one. So now the first name and the last name are in one cell, but there is no space between the first and the last name. So how we can make this equal the first name and then inverted comma open space, again inverted comma, then again and percent sign, then you can take last name and press enter. So here see, you can have the first name and the last name with the space. So now the second method I will show you by using Excel function concatenate. So equal sign, type concatenate, and first name select, then comma, then only inverted comma open space and inverted comma close, then comma and the last name. So here we don't have to use and sign, so we can directly use inverted comma open space and close and bracket close and press enter. So it gives you directly with the first name space and the last name. If you don't use this inverted comma and space, so it will merge the both first name and the last name. This is the two methods how we can combine different two or more cells into one. So now I will show some advanced level. So we can add comments to the cells by combining two cells, plus we can add a comment to it. Like here is the one of the example. I have written here project, and in the other cell it has written one, that is project 1. So if I want to write this project 1 is completed, pending, or any status of this, so equal to concatenate and project, then this comma, and you can add space also for this, inverted comma open space, then again inverted comma. Now we will take this 1 and again we need a space after this 1, then comma, inverted comma open space, again inverted comma, then comma. Now open an inverted comma and you can write your status like pending or completed, and inverted comma close and a bracket close, and you can just enter. Here it gives you like a sentence like project 1, the status is pending or closed. This is how we can add a comment by using concatenate function. Now I will show you the fourth example by using concatenate text function plus Excel has the today function, that how we can write with the today's date with the comments with the text by using text function. So here we will write, I will increase the font size, equal to concatenate, then you can type your text here like today is then you can give space and inverted commas, so that when the date comes there will be a space after today is. Then next is text function, type text, then tab, the bracket opens. Now today function, this open bracket and close and comma, then inverted comma open. Now we have to write for the dates, like today's date. For today's date we have to type dd, then hyphen, then month, for month then hyphen. Now we want year, which year, so inverted comma close, 2 times bracket, one bracket is open for concatenate and the other bracket is for text. So now if you enter, it will show you the today's date with the comment that today is date 19/7 and 2020 year. This is how the concatenate function works, and we can join the multiple cells into one cell, and you can add a comment by using this concatenate function. So I think I have left one more. So there is a one more example. We can add multiple cells into one. Here, like A, B, C, D, they are in the different cell. So we want to join them in a one cell. So is equal to concatenate. So select A, then comma, then column B, then column C and D. So you can close the bracket. If you enter, these all cells are in now one cell. So if you want to add a space, it is simple, same it is. So after this comma, add open bracket, space, again open bracket, or you can add and also. So if you enter, so sorry, here we have to put one comma here and one more and enter. You can see there is a space between after A, B, C and D. So this is the one of the trick in the Excel to combine multiple cells into one. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share.